All right, so it looks like we got some packages in from AliExpress. But what they're doing now, most of these were ordered a month ago. But it looks like they just hold all the packages at customs and send them all at once because this is like 3 or 4 orders. So we're just going to open them. This is going to be a quick open and see what the heck we got because I don't even remember what half of this is. And then we'll do some individuals once we figure out what they're. Uh-oh, another address.
There's packages inside of packages.
Oh, see that's what they did. They were combined in all these things. Yeah, hold on, we'll be right back.
Not right now.
All right, from our first package, there's 3 of them in the first package. Yeah, absolutely. Let's start opening them because I don't even remember what half of this stuff is. These are probably all of our dog bones and stuff that we ordered. We need scissors instead. No. Your knife sharpened it.
Yeah, I just gotta get the right angle. I don't want to break what's over.
Yeah. Manhandle it. All right. So what's this first one? 6-3. Oh, these are the metal upgrade for Hyboxins, or I think in this case this is for the gantry, but it works on our EC30 as well. So we'll be doing a video of that. I need one for my EC30B actually. So yeah, that's one. Oh, and these are the plastic versions, the stock versions for the gantry. We already did an install. The ones that actually showed up on time is a separate order.
This box has gone through some stuff.
I know, look at that. Now, one of these companies I'm trying to work with real well. They have some of the best WL parts around. I'll probably be doing a video on what I got from them separately. Because there's some pretty cool items for the WL I haven't seen really around. So this might be the same guy. Yeah, this is a body set. So this is a pretty big order from GEMRC on Ollie, and it's all primarily WL stuff. There's an upper deck for the 112 build, a bunch of servos that we've been waiting for all of our rigs, a bunch of diffs, a whole nother chassis set like our other chassis. This is a Storm. You'll probably seen the same company makes that car that you see out there. And there's a bumper set to turn a WL into a truggy. Swing arms. All this stuff is really, really cheap. I'll put a link in the description. But their store is awesome. I think this is like $20 worth of stuff right here. So it's really, really, really cheap. You just got to wait a month. You got to be patient with it. Now, these wings suck, but everything else in that same kit. It's the same kit that I did a review on.
I kind of like the plastic ones.
It broke immediately. That one. That's why I say they suck, because it literally, the first time it flipped, it snapped right where the screws are. So you can even see stress marks in it already. So that's the first package. One package down. We're saving that for last because I have a feeling I know what that is. This is package number 2.
Oh. Give me the filter.
Oh.
More packages inside of that.
Oh, the same thing. They must have combined them.
Yeah, well, it makes sense.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder if this is the grass for the track. It might be. It feels squishy. It's supposed to be, is it 8x9 or 7x9? I don't remember exactly what it is. We'll see. There's phone number there, everything. Yeah. Oh, that's so good. Then you give all our secrets away.
Text. It's like text.
Text this number.
Yeah. You have the lid.
I don't.
Yes, you do. You gave it to me without a lid. Whatever.
I don't know where it is. That one's probably another set of those dog bones, but we'll see. What does Kevin Talbot say? It's Christmas every day. But it takes a month for them all to come at once. So, oh, this is Lauren's receiver. So this is for her Surpass hobby. I got a Surpass one so that her main cars will all use the same controller. We'll do an install and an eval of that. Hopefully it pairs real nice. All right. Oh, so this is from that same company. These are $4 tires made for WL. They're pretty hard, but they looks like the same material and everything. Just white rims. I kind of dig them. Yeah, these are $4 a set plus shipping. And we got some more collars because those break. We got chassis. So this isn't intended to be a build. So I got lots of diff cases, the small parts that I'm going to need for a complete build. This is the motor mount we're going to use. It can go with any size, 360 or the two 2800s. Two more diffs, which were $3 a piece, and these are WL parts.
Ooh, this is carbon fiber?
Yeah. And then there's some servo mounts. And now these, I don't know if you remember, but we did a carbon fiber build before. Now this is, I don't know if you can see the difference there. It's got curves on it. This is real carbon
Hopefully it
fiber.
doesn't break after one crash.
Yeah, like it took me 2 days to put it all together, and then it took me an hour to break it. So hopefully this is going to be a complete build, a whole new car out of a lot of these parts and whatnot. So awesome. So these are both from the same company, the GEMRC. We'll put it all back in there. Lots of good stuff. Motor mounts, shock towers, lots and lots of good stuff. All right, so I'm pretty sure.
Should we do this one next?
No, do this one because this is the cool one.
This
is boring.
I can tell it's all bubble wrapped.
Yeah. It's probably just the grass. Yeah, it's the grass for the track. So this is a hunk of grass. Cost like $30, but it was costing $25. So this is 6x9, and they're averaging about $40 locally. I saved $10 by going on AliExpress, so we'll get that. But it is a pretty thin mesh. But it's going to be outdoor on the grass, so we'll get another piece of the track. One more piece. And now, this will have probably do a legit unboxing video. Oh, it doesn't even have a box.
Oh my goodness, they just wrapped it in plastic.
Hold it. So let's stop it. After uploading the video of the mail call, I realized that there was no real conclusion because we stopped in the middle for the last package to be a separate. So what I want to show you is almost all of this came from one company. There's some spares and whatnot. It's GEMRC. I'll put a link in the description, but I'm going to be doing a separate video on pretty much I bought a whole car minus the parts I have, which are swing arms and cups. I have those floating around already, so I'll be using some existing parts to build a carbon fiber WL knockoff with pretty much just core plastics like your diff cases and your swing or your dog bones and whatnot. Those are WL. Your diffs are WL, but all the rest is GEMRC's parts. These ain't those aluminum ones you see all over the place. These are so it should be a good rig. It should be very similar to the one that they sell for. I think they sell a rolling chassis WL for $85, something like that. Then you see the pile of spares. So for every one of these I bought 2 more. And the idea was shipping is going to kill you. So the more you get, the cheaper it is. And this stuff takes a month. So I got like 3 sets of diff cases. Got 2 sets of diffs. These were like $4 for a diff. And I'll get into the prices once we do the build. I'll link to the exact parts. But I just kind of want you to see like all this stuff is like, $50-$60 for all of it. That's shipped. So there's some other parts like that's going to go into a different video. It's the Surpass Hobby receiver that I got from a different company. And, you know, I got 2 servos. These servos are $4, and they're the metal upgrades, the ones that you're normally seeing for 10 or 15. This is the 112 upper deck for the truggy. So I'm going to convert it into, for the custom build, I've been waiting for the servo and this. These are for my 112, and that'll be a separate build altogether. But yeah, right on. So check back, see where this all goes. It's kind of a impromptu conclusion. So I hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Peace.